Perpetual Income 365 Review, Legit Affiliate Marketing Course. Are you tired of the worthless affiliates and their fake reviews? Hey folks, Vincent here and thank you for stopping by to check out my Perpetual Income 365 review. The story behind Perpetual Income 365, I'm actually really excited to share this one with you, as I feel it truly has the ability to change your life for the better. So, enough of the small talk. Let's get to the reason you're here. Perpetual Income 365, what's it all about? Unlike those fake worthless affiliate reviewers out there, I actually picked up Perpetual Income 365 in order to try it first, instead of just saying it's a scam, or calling it okay, and recommending my #1 recommended program in its place. How does Perpetual Income 365 work? This is email marketing simplified, with a huge, done-for-you twist. Now, email marketing hits a soft spot of mine, because along with search engine optimization, it's where I got started online. That being said, Perpetual Income 365 is definitely legit, and I'm very excited to share with you all I've learned about it here today. Now, before we get started, I wanted to share with you these 5 simple steps that Shawn goes through in the members area. He created them to help you better understand how the system works, and to set your expectations as to what you can expect, and what's expected of you in return. 1. The heavy lifting is done for you. Perpetual Income 365 is newbie-friendly as possible. The reason for this is pretty cool actually. He was overwhelmed when he first got started with affiliate marketing, and it took him a long time, and a lot of money, with trial and error to find success. The Perpetual Income 365 system to be as easy as possible, just a click and go type of concept. Pre-written copy included, sales letters, emails, etc. built into the back end of the software, so you don't have to spend months or years learning how to be a pro copywriter to get that first taste of success. A structured residual income for you. The system is structured and built to create residual, meaning recurring income with a one-off effort. This means that work you do one time is going to pay off perpetually, or continuously. To be honest, you'll get a much better idea as to how the system works and how the income will be generated once you start going through the training, setting things up, and connecting the dots. The automation software. This is my favorite part of Perpetual Income 365 and the biggest time saver. The software automates the backend like a 24/hours-per-day sales machine. Once you have things set up, your only job is to drive traffic, and don't worry, there's plenty of training on that too. Once you set it up the software, you're going to have a 30-day pre-written email sequence loaded into your autoresponder email account for you. You don't have to write a single word, or go through the process of setting up the emails in your autoresponder, it's all taken care of for you. Hence, automation. These emails were written by a pro, they're proven to convert, proven to drive sales, and proven to build a good reputation with your list as well. Side note, this is 100% the way I've been doing email marketing for years now, but this system just makes it a helluva a lot easier, true story. The refund policy. So yes, you can get a refund within the first 30 or 60 days, but I'd suggest you go into this with the mindset of success, and don't even put the word refund on your mind. The Facebook group, make sure you check out the above blue tabs, especially the Facebook group one for some amazing members earning screenshots and more. With all of the above being said, let's get into the members area itself. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.